All vehicles have 120 volt power outlets in the bathroom and kitchen. These can only be used when the vehicle is connected to the campground electrical supply or when the generator is running. These outlets are protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. This device is intended to protect you from getting an electric shock. If the power to the vehicle is on and there's no current to an outlet, push the reset button in the center. If using the generator, check that the shoreline is plugged securely into the vehicle receptacle located in the shoreline compartment. The 30 amp breaker on the generator must also be in the on position. If using an external 120 volt 30 amp receptacle at the campground, make sure the 30 amp breaker for that receptacle is turned on. The 120 volt system has a series of easily accessed circuit breakers located inside the vehicle on the converter panel. If one of these should trip, move the breaker all the way off until you hear a click, then back on again to reset. If repeated attempts do not fix the problem, call Traveller's Assistance.